did I ever let my heart believe in one who never gave enough to me?
And so many years now, love that was so wrong, and I can't forget the way it used to be, and how you changed the taste of love for me. You were my one more chance. I never thought I'd find you were the one romance I've always known in my mind. No one will ever touch me more. And I only hope that in return I might have saved the best of me for you, and we'll have no